Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to assign contract. In the beginning, in each city,
Take a look
you
at the
have
contracts
to
before you
find
start your
contract
adventure.
manager,
I assure you the rewards are worth it.
see contract
Are
objectives,
you in need of a contract?
and now select
Come and have a
contract
look.
to use. Here, under the contract, we've got rewards for each contract. And right here, we've got accepted current contracts. Rewards
Take
from the
a look
contracts you
around
can
here. If you have some
exchange in
contract
contract coin merchant.
Oh, perfect time.
Here we've
I've
got
got
the
some
contract
nice stuff
coin. You can switch it for quality weapon gravestone, quality accessory gravestone, and many more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.